In a survival situation, maintaining your health is vital, and one way to do that is by ensuring your body gets enough essential vitamins, especially vitamin C, which supports your immune system and helps your body repair itself. When you're out in the wild, you won't have access to supplements, but nature offers plenty of sources. Today, I'll show you how to identify and use 5 wild plants rich in vitamin C that you can rely on to stay strong in challenging conditions. Let's jump into these 5 plants. Eastern red cedar is a tree that grows across much of North America, and its berries are a great source of vitamin C. The small blue-purple berries can be chewed raw in moderation, but don't overconsume. Too many can cause nausea or other issues. A safe amount can help you boost your vitamin intake when you need it most. Not only are these berries rich in vitamins, but they also have antimicrobial properties that can help with mild infections. Pine trees are everywhere in many parts of the world, and they provide one of the easiest ways to get a dose of vitamin C. The needles are packed with it. To prepare, simply collect some fresh needles, wash them, and steep them in boiling water to make a tea. This tea has a slightly citrusy flavor and is great for boosting your immune system. Be cautious, though. Avoid mistaking pine needles for those of you trees, which are highly toxic. If you come across wild rose bushes, keep an eye out for rose hips. These small, red or orange fruits are a powerhouse of vitamin C. They develop after the roses bloom and are best harvested after the first frost, which makes them sweeter. You can eat them raw by carefully removing the seeds, or you can dry them for tea. Rose hips have been used for centuries as a natural remedy for colds, thanks to their immune-boosting properties. Often considered a weed, chickweed is actually a nutritious plant that's full of vitamin C. You'll often find it growing in gardens, fields, or even in disturbed soil. It's easy to identify by its small white flowers and sprawling stems. The tender leaves and stems can be eaten raw in a salad or sautéed like spinach. In survival situations, chickweed provides both vitamin C and hydration, since its high water content helps keep you hydrated in the wild. Dandelions are more than just a common lawn weed. They're a powerful wild edible that can help you survive. The leaves of the dandelion plant contain high levels of vitamin C, and the younger leaves are less bitter and more enjoyable to eat raw. In addition to being packed with nutrients, dandelions are also incredibly versatile. You can eat the leaves, roast the roots for a coffee substitute, or even use the flowers to make tea or wine. To recap, the next time you find yourself in the wilderness, remember these 5 easy-to-identify plants: eastern red cedar berries, pine needles, rose hips, chickweed, and dandelions. Each of these plants provides a healthy dose of vitamin C, which is crucial for your immune system and overall health in survival situations. Learning to recognize and use these plants can make a huge difference when food is scarce or when you need a quick nutritional boost. Now that you've learned about these 5 wild plants rich in vitamin C, I encourage you to start practicing. Head outside and try identifying them in your local area, even if you're not in a survival scenario. By familiarizing yourself with these plants now, you'll be more prepared if you ever find yourself in a situation where you need to rely on nature to survive. Remember, the wilderness can provide what you need if you know where to look. Stay safe, stay prepared, and make sure you keep learning new survival skills.